Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best Commercial Refrigerator in 2024.
Top 1.
KoolMore RIR1DSS12C Commercial Stainless Steel Reach.in Refrigerator with one-door access for restaurant, cafe, and cold food storage, large 12C Cu.ft capacity. Multi-purpose commercial refrigerator, a smart way to keep things organized in a professional restaurant or cafe setting. This reach-in commercial refrigerator provides 12 cu foot of storage to help you store and organize pans of food or cold food supplies. One-door access points especially great for separating different foods or food staples. This one-door reach-in refrigerator features 4 different door sections to make it easier and faster to access different items without impacting cold quality. Large, reliable shelving. There are multiple shelves inside our large stainless steel refrigerator, making it easy to store and organize all types of different products, dishware, or kitchen essentials to ensure everything is within easy reach.
Top 2.
Westlake 54W Commercial Refrigerator 2-door 2-section stainless steel reach-in solid door upright fan cooling 49 cu. Foot cooler for Restuarant. Powerful and reliable, automatically defrost. Equipped with an Embraco compressor, Carrel controller, and fan cooling system, this commercial refrigerator is designed to provide powerful and reliable refrigeration, so you can be sure that your products will stay fresh and cool. Efficient refrigeration, cooler temperature, 33 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.5 degrees Celsius 4.5 degrees Celsius. Digital temperature control is convenient for you to set the temperature easily. Professional grade design. This reach-in commercial refrigerator features 2 solid doors and 6 shelves, with a total storage capacity of 49 cubic feet. Each shelf has a loading capacity of up to 155 pounds, so you can store plenty of products. The unit also comes with 4 casters, making it easy to move around as needed.
Top 3.
Westlake Commercial Freezer 54W 2-door 2-section stainless steel reach.in solid door upright fan cooling 49 cu. Foot freezer for restaurant. Powerful compressor, commercial freezer with Embraco compressor, Carrel controller, fan cooling system, automatically defrost, need no extra tube for condensing water. Efficient refrigeration, commercial freezer temperature, -8 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -17.7 degrees Celsius -22.5 degrees Celsius. Digital temperature control is convenient for you to set the temperature easily. Professional design, reach-in 2 solid door designs, comes with 6 shelves 155 lbs loading capacity per shelf 49 cubic feet storage room. The unit comes with 4 casters, it's convenient for you to move it when you need it. ETL certifications include ETL SAFET, ETL Sanitation, and Energy Dose certification for restaurant open authorization.
Top 4.
KoolMore Commercial 1 Glass Door Display Upright, Beverage Refrigerator Cooler Merchandiser. Commercial refrigerator cooler ideal for commercial businesses or convenience stores. Our upright beverage cooler can be used for storing beer bottles, soda cans, energy drinks, sports and fitness beverages. Cooling method compressor. Refrigerant type R600A. Double pane tempered glass, The KoolMore Merchandiser refrigerator utilizes premium-grade glass to help eliminate condensation and maintain internal cabinet temperatures, which helps maintain glass clarity. Adjustable temperature control utilizing a simple turn dial. Our beverage cooler can be adjusted from 1 to 7 based on the contents inside to ensure optimal coldness without freezing liquids. A smart choice for drinks, foods, or other items.
Top 5.
Bodega Cooler Commercial Merchandiser Refrigerator, Glass Door Display Refrigerator. Upright beverage display cooler with soft LED light, adjustable shelves, and drink organizers. Intelligent temperature control, with an adjustable temperature control ranging from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. You can easily set the optimal temperature for different storage requirements. The double-panel tempered-grade glass door not only provides excellent clarity and visibility of your products but also eliminates condensation, ensuring optimal freshness and appearance. Quiet and energy efficient, Bodega Cooler Upright Display Refrigerator operates quietly and with energy efficiency. Its advanced compressor technology and internal fan force circulation keep your food and beverages stored in a peaceful and well-maintained environment. For your peace of mind, Bodega offers a 1-year warranty and long-term after-sales service.
Top 6.
Westlake 48W 2-door refrigerator sandwich and salad prep table commercial stainless steel counter fan cooling refrigerator with 12 pans 48 inches for restaurant. Powerful compressor, Imbraco compressor, Carrel controller, fan cooling system, automatically defrost, need no extra tube for condensing water. Efficient refrigeration 115°/60 Hz, refrigerator temperature, 33 degrees Fahrenheit 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.5 degrees Celsius 5 degrees Celsius. Digital temperature control is convenient for you to set the temperature easily. Ultra-large refrigerator capacity, food prep table equipped with 2 shelves and 8 shelf clips, allowing you to place your shelves exactly where you need them to accommodate your small or large food products. Shelves are coated with corrosion-resistant plastic, and the loading capacity is a maximum of 90 pounds. ETL certifications include ETL SAFET, ETL Sanitation, and Energy Dose certification for restaurant open authorization. Top 7. KoolMore KMMDR1D6C6 Cu.ft Commercial 1 Glass Door Display Upright Beverage Refrigerator Cooler. Commercial refrigerator cooler ideal for commercial businesses or convenience stores. Our upright beverage cooler can be used for storing beer bottles, soda cans, energy drinks, sports and fitness beverages. Double-pane tempered glass. The KoolMore Merchandiser refrigerator utilizes premium-grade glass to help eliminate condensation and maintain internal cabinet temperatures, which helps maintain glass clarity. Adjustable temperature control utilizing a simple turn dial. Our beverage cooler can be adjusted from 1 to 7 based on the contents inside to ensure optimal coldness without freezing liquids. A smart choice for drinks, foods, or other items.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.